That's the comic book. Go to ChatGPT. I've just typed this basic prompt. I want to generate a comic book from Comic Factory on Hugging Face. Give me a story prompt idea and describe me a character as a South Indian Tamil speaking guy. That's our story. The title is The Time Loop Tea Kadai. In a quiet village near Madurai, there is a tiny tea shop run by a man named Karthik. One day, Karthik discovers an old pocket watch left behind by a mysterious traveler. When he accidentally wins it, time loops every evening at 6:01 p.m. Just as he's about to close the shop, he's stuck reliving the same 30 minutes again and again. But there's more, even loop. Someone different shows up at the shop asking for a specific kind of tea, and each customer carries a clue to solving a bigger mysterious involving ancient Chola secrets, cosmic balance, and a forgotten prophecy. Karthik must crack the code, serve the perfect cup, and break the loop before time forgets him. That's interesting. That brings lot of characters from my roots. I love it. Main character Karthik, age 28, and his looks, language, personality. Okay, that's good. Now copy the story, go to Google, type AI Comic Factory Hugging Face and hit enter. On the result, you can see AI Comic Factory Hugging Face space. Click that and you will land upon this. With free user, you can generate one. As anonymous user can create one comic, and if you sign up on the Hugging Face, you can create a bit more. So do look at this, paste your story and go back. That's our main character description. Copy this and paste your character details, and from here you can choose any of it. I'll choose this American modern and grid. I will just stick with this one and switch on the captions, and this is the bubble. Okay, let's hit go. Sign in with Hugging Face, authorize, because I have created one already, so that's why it asked me to log in, and then hit go. Look at that. That's the comic book. Get PDF and you can choose wherever you want. Save as PDF and then you just hit save if you want to save. You got your comic book. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.